Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to update the topics on the Bunch application about which you would like to learn more in the future. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the last option. Then, as you can see in the middle of the screen, there are 4 sections: skills, topics, comments, and style. Tap on the topics button and click on update topics. So you should select all of the topics you want to learn more about. As you scroll down, you can find a bunch of topics, so select as many as you would like to, and after that click on the save topics button down below. As you can see, your topics are being updated, so here you can find them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.